GBP USDT 5-minute time frame. Buy here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Sell signal. Second take profit done. Third take profit done. Sell signal. Book your profit. Again, sell here. Book your profit. Buy signal. Book your profit. Again, buy here. Second take profit done. Sell here. Book your profit. Again, sell here. Third take profit done. Fourth take profit done. Buy here. Sell signal. Book your profit. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Buy here. This indicator name is Next Level 5 102025. This indicator works on all markets like stock, Forex, crypto, Indian market, etc. This indicator works on all time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. This indicator is 100% non-repaint. You can see it. This indicator win rate is 99.9%. Do you want to get this indicator? Contact on my WhatsApp